Hello everybody, this is Caroline Alison, an associate and a graduate student of the Grok Trade Mentoring Program. Welcome to the weekend edition. It is Sunday, November 21st of 2010, and we are looking at the Q's daily chart. I hope you're all ready here to analyze the 6-month daily chart here with me. It's just so fun to do. So let's get started here. So what we do see here on this daily chart is a pullback to that lower area of support that I have drawn here on my chart in pink. And what else do we see? We are forming a swing low. So what we were waiting for next week, this past week, was a breakout one way or the other through that upper area of resistance right here at the 52.29 mark, which we mentioned last week, or the lower area of support right here at the 50.88 mark. So what happened here? We got down to that pink trend line, which is acting as a really strong area of support, and we broke through that upper area of resistance at the 52.29 mark, and we continued higher, forming another high base. Actually, now we're in a process of forming another high base. So what we should look for here this coming week is a breakout again one way or the other. So let me zoom it here a little bit more so we can actually see the picture a little bit better. Now it's too big. Okay, let's move it up. Okay, so now what we need to pay really close attention is that upper area of resistance right here, which we're approaching and we're getting close to at 52.89, and then this lower area of support, which is actually the lowest point of Friday, the low of Friday, which was at 52.14. So pay really close attention to both of them, as well as pay really close attention to that lower area of support right here at the 51.68 mark, which is acting as a really strong area of support at this point in time. And this is this pink trend line drawn on my chart. So that's what we should pay really close attention this coming week. So 3 things could happen here next week. We can break back to the upside through that upper area of resistance that I mentioned here to you, 52.89, and continue higher to that upper area of resistance right here, the 53.45 mark. Or we could consolidate here at this level for quite a while before we get a major move, and we could form another high base, or we could break back to the downside, forming a swing high, and that would be a bearish sign. So if we did that, we'll have to break through that lower area of support right here at the 51.67 mark, and then continue to the downside with the MACD confirmation. Just pay close attention to that as well. We're still heading south on the MACD with another negative tick, but a little bit smaller than the previous one. So we're losing strength a little bit here. That's what it's telling me, but we're still heading south. So pay real close attention to that as well. So you are all set for next week. So just make some notes here and put these little trend lines here on your chart at these key levels of support and resistance, and watch them really closely, as well as pay really close attention to the MACD. And what else I wanted to mention here to you today is that Grok Trade Mentoring free informational webinar is coming up on December 1st. It's just a great place to be and join. And it's going to be hosted at 9 p.m. Eastern Time and 6 p.m. Pacific Time. So what I'll be doing here, I'll be posting a link right below that video for you to go there. And you can just actually click on that link, and that will just take you to the website. And you can just fill out that form that will give you access to the webinar. We'll be sending you a link, a little invitation here, so then you can just click on that link and join our webinar on December 1st of this year at 9 p.m. Eastern Time and 6 p.m. Pacific Time. So if you have any questions, just feel free to contact me, or you can just put a little comment right below that video, and I'll be really happy to help you. So enjoy the rest of your evening, day, whatever time it is at your place, and I will talk to you again tomorrow.